squad, yes. What is the squad age average? Can these players last 2 seasons? Nyana, while Abozwane gradually adapting. That's what you're trying to build. You want to build a squad that's able to say, okay, we get the core, we get Lentole, people who are going to come in and help in cases of injury, in cases of fatigue. We have a direction lab. You look at the back, you understand. So when you look at the back, there's Miguel, there's Msimango, there's McCarthy also can play center back. There's Gwinika. So there is, plus we still have Dudley. If we still Kumbula, there's still Rashun Dudley. So I think what I'm getting is that the 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 management or Kaiser Chiefs as it is, I think it's now focused with okay, let's rebuild a squad, a fully functioning squad, so that whatever coach or whoever comes in and say this is what I want, there's a base of players that we will be taking or we will be having. One thing I liked, I think um, I would have wanted to come a long time ago. You understand where now all these DDC players that are coming up, they're being loaned to these small teams. It's a good thing because now they get used to first team. They get used to they're not treated like kids anymore. They're treated like professionals. So they're starting to learn professionalism because I've seen that there's certain players that we even take into Botswana. So they're starting to learn, which okay, I'm a professional. This is how a professional behaves compared with Manju Mhlalise Lapayana, and they want to put him on, and then there's a lot of pressure. You understand? So look at who Kuban this boy Mabas. He's coming, Utash. He's coming well. I wonder if I'm corner. It's that type of Vilagazi and Shabalala type of vibes. So he's also a part in the middle of field. Now we go there up front. Lelepo and Pule Modi. My lord. Yes, I know that they're capable of more than what they're giving. I know that sometimes